On August 21st, downtown Poco was shut down once again for the 7th annual Downtown Port Coquitlam Car Show. This year, even Elvis was in attendance.
Well, it's 1 for the morning, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready. Now go, can't go, can't go, can't go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoe. You can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes. You can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes. You can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes. My soul, what's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a fuzzy tree. My friends say it might be white as a bone. I'm in love, I'm all sugar. Yeah. Oh, well, my hands are shaking and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own 2 feet. Ooh, who do you think when I have some luck? I'm in love, I'm all sugar. Yeah. Well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little messed up, wanna be helped by. When I'm near a girl that I love best, my heart beats so it scares me to death when she touches my hand. What did you like? Well, I'm so like a all in a spot. I want to say that she my buttercup. I'm in love, I'm all sugar. Yeah. My tongue gets side and I try to speak. My hands shine shaking like a leaf tree. And all I want to hear all this body of mine is to hear that girl that loves so fine. She touches my hand. Oh, does she like that? Her lips so like a volcano's fire. I'm out to see my buttercup. I'm in love, I'm all sugar. Yeah. Yeah, I'm all sugar. Pardon me if I'm sentimental when we say goodbye. Don't be angry with me, should I cry? Now when you go, get home, dream a little, dream as years go by. Now and then, there's a fool such as I. Now and then, there's a fool such as I am. Oh, you taught me how to love, and now you say that we are through. I'm a fool, but I love you, dear, until the day I die. Now and then, there's a fool such as I. In 1997, I won the World Elvis competition in Memphis, Tennessee, and I was living just down the street at the time. So I'm a Poco boy, originally born and raised in Edmonton. We moved out here around 1995, and the most success I think I ever had was living in this city. I got the award from Mayor Tremblay in '98. I got free Slurpees every day.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for showing up today at this great Port Coquitlam BIA car show. And can we just put our hands together for the BIA and what a wonderful job they do for this community? And I want to thank Dean Washington here, who heads up a crew of volunteers. They got their shirts on and they're all over the place, and I'm sure half of them are out there still working. So thank you so much for the hundreds of hours that you put into making this event such a success. I will put in a plug because, you know, this is the Port Coquitlam Business Improvement Association Car Show, and what it's about is not only opening up the streets to bring out these beautiful cars, but also highlighting our businesses that are in this community and making sure that we all recognize those businesses, buy something from those businesses so that we have a thriving downtown here in beautiful Port Coquitlam.